Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome, and if you're old, yes, welcome back. So yes, I'm here with a full face and no hair. I'm sure you know the reason why. I picked up this wig from Bestlace Wig. This is my third time buying wigs from them, so I actually know how their hair is. But today I picked up a Kinky straight because I am trying to get something that actually mimic my hair texture, since I want to leave my hair out like this summer, but then I changed my mind. I want to do protective styling, so I was like, you know what, let me pick up a wig that actually imitates my hair texture. So I'm gonna see how this looks and feel. And this is in 18 inches, and I did 150 density. I will leave any information that you need to know about this here down below, so after this you can check it, or you can check it out right now. And this hair feels really good. It feels like my own hair. It's a 360. It is pre-plucked and bleached, so let's see. Listen, this hair is bleached for the guys. I actually thought I was going to be bleaching it, but no, I'm not wasting my time trying to bleach something that is already done. Maybe I can put some foundation in here just to add my own little touch, but other than that, it's good. Now the hairline on this wig, just look at this. I don't even have to plug it, and the size is small. It's your standard 360 wig. It comes with 2 clips in the front here and 1 in the back. Before, the clips used to be the same size, but now it's like the big clip in the back here, and I think that's really good. That's convenient. Let me see how their construction has improved. Wow, I haven't adjusted anything, and let me tell you, this wig fits very snug. Oh my gosh. What I'm going to do is install the elastic band in here for extra stability. Maybe, let me see, maybe I should do a little bit of work to it, right? But I don't want to overdo it, because sometimes I get to plugging and then I get excited and over plug. But I should probably do a little bit. But if you're a beginner and don't know how to plug, honestly, you don't even have to plug this. I did a 150 density because I want to be able to put it in a nice bun. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and cut that extra lace from in the back because I'm not going to need that. After that, I'm going to go ahead and adjust it. And you see that extra space that is left over there? I'm going to flip it over and sew it. So every time I have to put my wig on, I don't have to keep going back and forth and trying to adjust the stripes. It stays that way and it's customized. And when I'm ready to put my hair up in a bun, I don't have any problem, and it will be seamless. I promise you. You won't be able to see that you even sew anything in the back. So if that's a problem or concern for you, you don't have to be worried about anything like that. So the wig came with an elastic band, but I like to use my own because this is much more wider, and the wider elastic bands are more comfortable. This one is on 1.5 inch. I picked it up from my Amazon. I will leave the link down below, and I'm just gonna go ahead and measure it ear to ear. This way. And I'll cut it. Me personally, I like my elastic band to be very snug because as time go by, it kind of stretches. But do it to your comfort level. I'm not gonna say I'm an OG in wearing wigs now, but I'm pretty not familiar with wearing wigs and elastic bands, so I can take a little pressure. But if you can't take it, don't make it too snug, because the headache, you don't want to be uncomfortable. All right, so this is good enough, but I'm going to go ahead and just cut a little bit from there, just to All right. And just cut this side. I'm just mainly cleaning up. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and sew my elastic band in, and I used the comb as a guard to get my elastic band placed properly. So I put the band in front of the comb and just go ahead and sew it. I'm going to be taking out the combs later on, but if your wig come with a comb, I suggest you do that. That way you get a better placement of your elastic, and you still have ear tabs if you need to lay down your ear tabs or whatnot. But if you don't like the ear tabs, then you can do it a whole nother way. So you see the elastic band is right in front of the combs. Now I'm just going to take out the combs because I don't need them anymore. And all right, so this is a personal choice. It's not really a must, but I'm going to be going in with my Maybelline foundation, and this is in the shade 368. And I will just put some on the back of my hand, just a little bit, to make that lace really melt into my skin. And I'll just go in with my L'Oreal Super Blendable Powder to go ahead and set that liquid foundation. Alright, so when you sew your elastic band in, this is what your wig should look like. And we're just okay, so this is what the hair looks like with just the elastic band. And it's pretty snug, honestly. If you're not doing the ear tab, you can actually just go out like this. You're probably just going to run some errands and you're coming back home to take it off. This is secure enough. It can withstand the wind. But me being me, I'm gonna be laying it. So this is the glue I use, and this is the Isha Absolute Lace Glue. Okay guys, so I am back. I had an emergency yesterday, so I was not able to finish the video, but this is the next day, and I was able to put it in a nice bun. And I did some baby hair. I know it's not perfect yet, but I'm still working. Anyhow, okay, but I just did this nice bun. This is why I went lower on the density, because I wanted to be able to really put it in a nice bun. I mean, you can style 180 or 200 density, but this one is more like very easy to work with. And yeah, like I said, it can be parted so many ways. I can show you, but right now I haven't given it a part yet because I just want to just put it in a bun. But it has a decent amount of parting space. Right here, if I wanted to part it, I can part it there. And a middle part. So yeah, the parting space on this unit is not bad at all. And also you can do a half up, half down. Tighter, but yes, you can do a little half up, half down like this. You can leave it like so. You can make this one into a bun. Like this. And you can even braid it. All right, so I haven't put any heat in there, so let's see how it curls or even straighten. Yeah, you can straighten it if it's too kinky for you, but I like the kinks perfectly well, so I'm just gonna go ahead and pass an iron through it real quick. Yeah, and it'll straighten properly. Okay, now let's see how well this takes the curls. It thick curls really well. Like, look at this. This is nice. I love it. Now I'm tempted to curl my whole entire head, but no. I think I want my bun back. But I was just showing you, you guys, this hair can be worn however you want. The length is just perfect. So it's like, it really does look like my own. It feels like my hair too. What my hair will look like when I blow dry it. So yes, super lightweight and just beautiful. All right, guys, if you made it this far and you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe and hit the notification bell when you subscribe to be notified when next I upload. Till next time, be safe, stay blessed, and fabulous.